Pop filter or Deadcat? Which is better? Alright, what's going on? So we got you on the Movo VXR10 today. We're going to check out to see which is better, a Deadcat or a pop filter. Now, I currently got a Facebook Marketplace score a couple of days ago. It is the Neewer Pop filter, as seen here. Alright, Movo VXR10 with Deadcat. Is it popping? Are there popping noises? Test, test. VXR10. PPP. BBB. This is supposed to be a test for popping. Right now, it is the Deadcat on the Movo VXR10. Alright, we got the Deadcat off and the Neewer Pop filter on. How does this sound? P, 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 pop. Is it popping? You are on the Movo VXR10 via Tascam DR-05X with a Neewer Pop filter. How does it sound? Deadcat versus pop filter. P, 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 B, B, B. Alright, there you go. Which is better? Deadcat windscreen or pop filter? Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.